Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a Tech Travel Geeks sample video recorded on the Vivo Y70. This is a review device Vivo sent us to perform a review of, and this is a sample taken on the camera, the main rear camera on the device. Now I'm going to start walking now and see what the stabilization is like. I am holding the device with one hand. So it's not the most stable of conditions. Let's see what the electronic image stabilization on the Vivo Y70 is like. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I think we can wrap up this quick sample video. If you have any questions or you'd like to know more, feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. We'll do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. For now, goodbye from us.